Welcome to PIERRE Academy. In this video, we'll walk you through the setup of the PIERRE Water Leak Sensor Mini. We begin by putting the display into device search mode. To do this, navigate to Menu, then Settings, select Add Wave I/O and tap Find Device. Next, we press and hold the sensor's plastic housing. A small LED indicator will begin blinking, confirming that the device has entered pairing mode. Once it starts flashing, just wait a few seconds, and the device will appear on the display. Tap Add Found Device, keep the default name, press Save, and Continue, and then Finish. Now the sensor is successfully added and the screen shows the status as no leakage. Looking closely at the device, you'll see two small metal contacts. When we bridge them, for example, using a damp finger, the sensor immediately emits a beeping sound from its built-in speaker. At the same time, the display and the application alert us that a leak has been detected. Thank you for watching this PIERRE Academy tutorial. See you next time.